Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Gemaline Bulusan, 42 years old, married. I have blessed one daughter, 21 years old. My height is 162 centimeter and my weight 60 kilogram. I am college undergraduate to took up computer secretarial. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia in 6 years in one employer. I can take care the baby, kids, pet, cooking, ironing, and sometimes I do car washing. I am willing to learn to cook the Chinese food. Please hire me as your helper, and I currently I'm here in the Philippines to applying job going to Hong Kong. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow the instruction. I will do my best to serve your family, and I promise to finish my contract and continue to work as long as you need my service. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.